You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly, British English and American English pronunciations. Denial, two different ways of pronouncing it. Denial, stress on the ni syllable, denial. It can also be pronounced as denial, D-ni-o. How to pronounce, let's summarize. Denial or denial. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.